Come to the delegate assembly, they said. It will be fun, they said. Back in 2017, these were the words that were spoken by a colleague of mine and a former delegate of the assembly. I attended and spoke at my very first delegate assembly meeting as a guest back in 2017. Shortly thereafter, my colleague became a delegate, and I continued to attend as a guest and speak to the assembly for the 5 minutes I was allowed about topics that mean the most to all of us. After attending and making speeches as a guest for 7 years, I was proudly elected by this body to serve on the delegate assembly in 2023. My name is John Coniglio, the current president of the Dover Education Association, and I'm asking you to re-elect me to the delegate assembly for a second term. During my first term and throughout the past 7 years, I've spoken about NJEA dues increases, increasing effective communication from NJEA to our members, pension and healthcare fairness, advocating for additional UNISERV reps in Region 17, which we have recently received, providing members with the option to vote online in NJEA elections, unsafe working conditions, and increasing the low earner threshold so all of our ESPs can afford to pay their union dues and not be priced out. Re-electing me to our delegate assembly means that you will have someone who is not afraid to speak up for you. You will have someone who will applaud NJEA when they do something that deserves praise, but we'll also let them know if there's something that needs a little bit of a deeper dive. In the mail, on or about April 1st, you will be receiving a ballot in an envelope that looks just like this one right here. I would be honored if you would cast your vote to re-elect me, John Coniglio, to the NJEA Delegate Assembly, where together we can continue our strong advocacy right here in Morris County. Thank you.